Hey guys, July's edition of the Drone Drop Box is here. Let's see what we have inside. Oh, so we have a tool bag. Okay, it's just the bag itself for you to keep your little tool collection together. Awesome, because I get mine spread all over the place and lose them. We have some DYS stickers. Yes, always love the sticker scene. Gotta have the stickers. So what we have here, I've been inside of it. So we have soft mounts by Team Black Sheep. Show you what we have in here real quick. Just here, there is 9 of them, and they're sticky. They work real well. We have 4 Sam Gook motors. Really nice motors. These are 2500 kV motors. They're really nice. And 3 sets of propellers. You guys know that's what I told you, waiting on these guys because of my propellers. And I think they've picked up some new sponsors because there's Lumineer sticker in here also. So that's pretty cool. So there you go, guys. That is July's edition of the Drone Drop Box. Thank you for watching.